What do you think? What college did you?
What do you think about that college?
What college?
Are you sure? Are you sure about this?
Today we're going to have a blast because we have the Undercity podcast. Yeah!
क्या बोलते हैं public? That's for my North Indian audience.
No, everyone come.
I love North India.
I like. Little like situationship.
Bro, how did you guys meet, bro? Like all you.
But deadass, I shat my pants in 3rd grade.
Yeah.
That's when I met him.
Yeah!
I'll introduce myself.
Let's go.
Hi guys, thanks for having me. I'm here to torture these guys about makeup products and have fun with them here.
Yeah!
Walk me through your process.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the don't shake that bastard.